I would like to invite you for a brand new live online cooking series called American Summer Series 2026. This series is focusing on a preparation of the most popular American recipes, but do that in a way that they will taste even better than in your favorite restaurant. In first class, we are going to prepare homemade burger buns and amazing barbecue sauce. In class number 2, we are going to prepare lemon and garlic chicken. In class number 3, we are going to prepare ultimate Caesar salad experience. In class number 4, we are going to prepare 2 amazing pan pizza. Class number 5 will be all about popular Tex-Mex Mexican grill meal. And the class number 6 will be all about amazing barbecue honey pork ribs. See separate video about how class like that works and why am I qualified to teaching these classes. And I'm going to see you soon because first class starts already on May 2nd.